Hey everyone, I'm Kristen, this is my AuthorTube channel, and today we're unboxing Scribbler! Let's do it! I love Scribbler! I think most writers who get this box love it. First of all, it's adorable. And it's a box that is for writers from writers, which it also says right here. I'll link the code down below to purchase it. It's not like a discount code. I don't get sponsored by them. I just really love this box. So I'm going to show you what's in it for this month, and hopefully it inspires you to do a little self-care and a little writing, I don't know, magic and goodies yourself. Anyway, here we go. It's so cute. Okay, we start off with this cute card every time, and I love it. It's a writing contest. Not today, but this month's writing prompt is, dun, 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 write about the moment when two characters who ultimately fall in love see each other for the first time. Our favorite submission wins a bonus gift. Contest ends Valentine's Day. So super fun. You just write it on the back, take a picture, tag at Go Scribbler, and it's a really fun contest and a really great way to stay engaged with the brand. And it's fun that it's for Valentine's Day. So it also comes with this deliciousness. Just something about crinkle paper makes you happy, right? Also, excuse the crazy today. It was Friday, and sometimes weeks are really long. Okay, so when I first open up the box, I see, okay, so this is a fun little bottle opener keychain with hashtag plot twist on it, which is cute. And I've had things like this before. They last forever. It's great to have around the house. Keep it in the kitchen, keep it in your car. Not for drinking and driving, but in case you're somewhere where you need a bottle opener, super handy. So that'll be great. The next thing is Moonstruck chocolate. I love all things moon, all things space, so this is right up my alley. And it's milk chocolate salted toffee with 31% dark chocolate. And I love milk, I love chocolate, I love milk chocolate, and I love moon stuff. So this is a big win for this girl. Okay, next up is a note card zip pocket. Oh, perfect. So when I write note cards about what my characters are doing, what scenes I have, what settings, I can keep them all in this pocket. It comes with some super cute dotted note cards, and this will be a great way to keep me organized. I can just toss everything in my purse when I'm going writing or whatever, and that'll be a great way to keep inspiration close by. So super excited about that. Okay, next is I'm All Right, which is a lined notebook in very yellow, which is my very favorite color, so thank you, Scribbler. And it's super cute. Just a fun way to like jot things down. Again, toss it in a purse. Make sure that you always have something to write with so that when inspiration strikes, you're good to go. Okay, so, and then the book for this month is, let's see, I'll pull that out first. It's called Malice. This is a gorgeous cover. I don't know if you can see that, but wow. Let me just read the synopsis for you. The author is Pintip Dunn. I'm guessing that's a pen name, but it's cool. That's a fun pen name. And it says, okay, say the words and be done with it. Say the words, say the words, say the words. I love you, I blurt. That is all. Goodbye. I wheel around, ready to sprint, when a hand snags my arm. His hand. Wait a minute, Bandit says, his eyes 2% less bored. Are we in 3rd grade? Do you want to give me a note asking if I love you back so I can circle yes or no? Okay, I'm already hooked. This is adorable. My cheeks burn hotter than the sun assaulting my skin. Hotter, even than the flames that got me into this mess. I could really use that alien abduction about right now. The object of my supposed affection smirks. We can skip the note. Can't say I blame you for falling for me. I mean, I'm a lovable guy. But have we actually met? He lowers his voice. Outside of your wildest dreams, that is. This sounds like a super fun book, especially for Valentine's Day. And I'm already hooked. So I will definitely be reading this one and reporting back how it goes. Okay, so with every book comes some goodies. Usually you get, a signed card that goes along with it by the author. This time there's a really cool bookmark. Also saying when the book is released, which happens to be February 4th. So pretty stoked that I get this one early. Let's see, what's this? Oh, these are magnets. Oh, these are so cute, guys. Okay. Wake up, write, repeat. Every word matters. Not now, I'm writing. Those are super cute. So that came with this box. There's a postcard that is an exclusive invite for Jessica Turner, who is a marketing director and associate publisher. So there's always some like little goodie, little invite that lets you connect with an industry expert, which I think is super, super beneficial. All the rest of these goodies are great and I love them. But the ability to really interface with an industry publisher, a marketing executive, anything like that is super helpful for someone who is in the process of writing and hopefully someday is going to be publishing a book. And so that is one of the biggest benefits of this box for me, because it lets me connect with people in the industry, and that's useful for me as an author, as well as everybody else who subscribes to this box. So it's awesome. Inside is also a look into like the publishing process for the book that they send. So because this one is the Malice book, this is going to be an inside look into how Malice was published. Usually it has like first draft notes. This one has a synopsis, other books that you can read by her, stuff like that. And so this is always really, really useful and really helpful. And then there's always this little passport. And this one is about stakes, which is something I'm struggling a little bit in my writing, is setting the stakes high enough that they're believable and that they make my character grow, but not too high that it's like, this is totally unbelievable, this would never happen, like what the heck is going on? So I'm really, really excited to read this. It's also primarily by the author of the book that comes in the box. So in this case, it is Pintip Dunn. I like the name. There's no way someone named their kid Pintip though. And if so, I apologize. Fantastic name. And then the last thing is just a really cute postcard that says, when you're ready to publish, and then it says, upload your book for free Ingram Spark. Just kind of like a cute giveaway, how to share your story with the world. And just, if you don't know what Ingram Spark is, I'll just read the synopsis here because they can say it way better than I can. Ingram Spark is an award-winning independent publishing platform and official sponsor of NaNoWriMo, offering writers the ability to create professional print books and ebooks. Self-publish a book and make it available to 40,000 plus retailers and libraries in stores and online through Ingram Spark's global distribution network. So it's a fantastic company, and if traditional publishing is not your cup of tea, this is a fantastic way to go. So it's cool that they put that in there just as a reminder. There's also a promo code to use as well. So awesome. I love this box so much. There's so much goodies in it, so much great stuff to help me think about writing and get my creative juices flowing. So thank you, Scribbler. I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you next time.